Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video I will be discussing about how to create an n8n AI assistant for WhatsApp. So it is pretty easy. First you're going to be simply entering in here manual triggers. If someone is going to be triggering it, then you're going to be clicking on this plus icon and click on actions. So here you can incorporate WhatsApp. So you can see we have WhatsApp business cloud in here, and we can send a message, send message and wait for response, send template, upload media files, download media files and delete media. So you can do anything that you like. Let's just say I want to send a message. We are going to be needing to simply enter some settings and authentication for the account. You're going to be needing an access token for WhatsApp in order for it to work. Then you have your resource, the message itself. You can incorporate media as well that you can upload and download as well. If you want to send a message, select message from here, select the operation and enter the recipient phone number, and boom, you're literally good to go. That's how you can create n8n AI assistant for WhatsApp. To access n8n, you can head over to the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.